Everybody, so I'm pulling another prank on my friend Alaine again. And this time I put tape around here, so when she turns it on, she's gonna get wet, so hope this works out. Good. Oh, okay. Yeah. Wow.
Second one.
How can you?
I'm gonna kill you.
How can you not see that? Like she just like, whoopsie daisy.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm a girl, not a boy.
So what's your point?
My point is stop this video.
Oh, it smells bad. It smells like you.
It smells like you. That's what I know. I'm gonna get you.
Hi.
I'm going to change my shirt. You're welcome.
Like a boss. Hey everybody, thank you for watching that little video, and you can like, favorite, subscribe, and you can also share on Facebook, Twitter, whatever. You can also follow my Instagram. That's Mega Red Egg. It's the same as my channel name. So yeah, bye.